So for the past couple of weeks, I've been super busy. I mentioned in one of my previous videos that this summer I am moving jobs. YouTube is not my job. I don't even get paid for it. This is actually more of an out for me because as a mom, and sometimes I just need to connect with people. So I've been really busy the past week, and so that's why you haven't seen a video from me, because we have been moving all of my things into my new classroom, which I'm super excited about. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Ellen, and today I'm going to share with you how to organize a cleaning cart like this one. As a mom, we have to multitask all the time. It is very difficult often to get things done. In fact, when I started to try to make this video, my daughter was sitting on my lap. We tried, but it just did not work. She is now preoccupied, so that is why I can make this video for you guys. As moms, we usually have to multitask. We have to find ways to do things quickly before your child walks in or before your child interrupts what you're trying to do. I decided that I wanted to create a caddy that I can use to go from room to room and keep everything in one place and make it easy and quick for me to clean the area that I'm trying to clean. So I've seen many different versions of these out there. I know a lot of people like to use the caddies that you can carry around, but personally, I wanted something bigger that I can store many things in and just roll it from room to room. The first thing you want to think about whenever you're setting up your cleaning caddy is what products and tools do you need to keep on your caddy. So for me, I really like the Scentsy bar, so I made sure to include that. I made sure to include my cleaning products as well as my microfiber towels. I also picked a cart that had a bar like this so that I could slide in my brush that I used to clean my tub as well as my Swiffer duster. And I think by doing this, it really helps me to clean very quickly because I have everything I need at my fingertips. Step 2 was probably the most difficult part for me, and it was to organize and prioritize. So I have a lot more cleaning products than just what's on this cart. I wanted to make sure that I have the cleaners that I use the most here on the caddy. And so in the cleaner section, I have an all-purpose cleaner, I have a bathroom cleaner, and I have this Scentsy Fresh. And I just, disclaimer, I do not sell Scentsy, nor am I trying to sell Scentsy, but I do really love their products. I also have a furniture polish, a glass cleaner, and this Clorox bathroom cleaner. I also have these dust refills for my Swiffer duster, and I like to use that specifically on my fans because it can be very difficult for me to reach up there to use my hand to do it. So I like to use the Swiffer duster. On the top shelf, I have my paste. I have two different kinds of paste. I have my pink stuff paste, and I also have my Norwex cleaning paste. And these two are like my tough to get out products. If you've never used the Norwex cleaning paste, it's perfect for getting stuff out. For example, my daughter's play kitchen, it had rubbed up on the wall, and a little bit of the paint from the play kitchen had like transferred onto my wall, and I was able to take that cleaning paste and just buff it right out. It's amazing. I also, in this bin, keep some scrubbers. So I have a Scrub Daddy, which this one's brand new, so it's still in the bag. I also have a Magic Eraser, and I have a Scour Daddy. And again, that's just for really tough jobs. I also like to keep some Scentsy bars. Now, again, I do not sell Scentsy, nor am I trying to sell Scentsy, but I really love their bars and their products. So I like to keep my bars close by. That way I can clean a room, change the scent of the bar, and then move on. So I keep the bars, and I also keep these cotton cleanups, which are really good for cleaning up your Scentsy or in your wax warmers, because once the wax is melted, you just stick this in there and it just pulls it right up. It's so easy. On the last shelf, I have 2 baskets, and you're going to look at one of these and say, one of these is completely empty. Well, yeah, it is. And let me explain that for a second. So I have this small basket here of clean towels, and these are all my microfiber towels that I use to clean throughout my house. Different colors mean different things. So for example, the blue I use to clean glass, the green I use to clean the toilets, and the pink I use to clean the countertops. When a towel is dirty, I will take it and transfer it to this empty basket. Now that doesn't mean that, I wipe one thing, towel's dirty, I put it in there. But sometimes after cleaning a bathroom, the towel can be really, really gross. So I'll just throw it in the dirty basket and get a new clean one. I also keep this basket here because when I use my bathroom brush here, it drips into this basket. And that way it doesn't drip through the mesh of the bottom of the cart and onto the floor and make an even bigger mess. I really like using bins on my cart because it keeps everything nice and organized and cohesive. I know where each of the products that I have are, and I know where to find what I need. It also keeps it easy to put it back where it belongs. A few clear bins, and then I have a couple of these bigger bins, mainly because the clear bins weren't big enough to hold what I needed to hold. But I like the combination of the different kinds of bins because I think it really just gives me an opportunity to make use of the space as best I can. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you enjoy content about organization, cooking, cleaning, and being a mom, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm always looking forward to showing you new ways that this mama tries. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!